Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the account and project. Start now by creating the variable itself. Open Variables, select Make a Variable, and name it what you will store. Choose the Cloud Variable checkbox so Scratch treats it differently. This tells the server to persist data across users. Once done, Scratch will validate the name, make sure it's unique and simple. You're asking the server to host this value, so avoid special characters. Now your cloud variable exists and is ready to be written to. Now you need to write and read from that cloud variable correctly. Use set or change blocks to update the cloud value, set when you want a definitive value, change for increments like scores. Read the cloud variable in loops or in response to broadcasts so the UI updates for you. This ensures consistency across players. Make sure to throttle writes because the server enforces limits, batch updates, or only send on significant changes. Once you pace your writes, other sessions will see stable synced values. Finish by testing multi-user behavior. Open 2 accounts and observe the cloud variable sync. If values fail to update, first confirm you checked the cloud variable box and used identical names. Then inspect your write frequency. Too many writes can be silently rejected, so add a 2-3 second debounce or only write on significant events. Also, ensure your project is saved and in a cloud-enabled studio if required. Troubleshoot with simple logs and gradual change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.